Hello, my name is Abdul Kadir Mala and I am learning about the code alpha, and this is a presentation and one talks. I am performing one talks the Fibonacci series. So what is the Fibonacci series? So first I have a learning the what is a series. First of all, what you learn what is a series. So series like a zero. All series started from 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4 and so on. So this is called a simple series of a number. So what is a Fibonacci series? This series starts from 0 and 1. The next number will be the addition of last two numbers, as we have 0 and 1. So the next number, our next number is 1. So 1 equal 1 plus 1 equal to 2. So now we have 1 and 1 last two numbers. The addition of 1 and 1 will be 2. The addition of 1 and 1 will be 2. This is called Fibonacci series. So I am discussing the formula of Fibonacci series. Formula of Fibonacci series. X equal to y and y equal to z and z, and now z equal to x plus y. This is the formula of Fibonacci series. So let me now x equal to 0 and y equal to 1 and z equal to 1, and now x equal to y and y hence value is 1. So x equal to 1 and y equal to z, so hence z equal to 0, and z equal to x plus y, so hence x equal to 0 and y equal to 1. So z equal to 1, hence new value of x. So x equal to y and y have new value is y equal to 1. So x equal to 1 and y equal to 0 and y equal to z. So hence new value of z equal to 1. So y equal to 1. So z equal to x plus y. So new value x equal to 1 and y equal to 0. So 0 and 1 equal to 1. So x equal to the new value of x. So x equal to y. So y equal to 1. So hence x equal to 1 and y equal to z. So new value of x, y equal to z. So new value of z, y equal to 1. So hence z equal to y, z equal to x plus y. So x is 1 and y is 1 and there is 2. So this is a formula of logical Fibonacci series. So I am go to the Visual Studio and practical them this code. So first I am create a new files, and I have already created a new file Fibonacci series. First I take a user input in number. So I am declare a variable integer and type and input, enter any number and create a 3 variable. Create variables x equal to 1 and x equal to 0 and y equal to 1 and z equal to 0, and now take condition and while loop. So while this is condition while n Sn equal to z, and end of the function, end of the loop, and then create a formula. X equal to y, and y equal to z, and z equal to x plus y. This is Fibonacci formula, x plus y, and I am run the file program. And I am the mission colon print z, and now I check it the run, and finally run it. Enter any number, for example 10, and enter. So I am run this program and hide for payment lines. So enter a number, any number, for example 10, and output will be come out. So output will be enter a 10 number, output will be 11358. So this is the Fibonacci series.